Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Lumina from Barbie as the Pearl Princess in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you how I created this look in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it like this, the combination of blonde and pink. And for this hairstyle, you can choose the bangs only. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the changing room and we're going to wear the mermaid set. I'm going to go to the codes item and choose this mermaid tail, this one, and you're going to color it with this pink color for the first selection, and for the next selection just color it with this color, and the next one color it with this pink color. Okay, let me show you the color code, this one, and also this one. Wait, okay, and then I'm going to choose this crown, and again we're going to color it with this pink color, and we're going to change the toggle to type 2, and the next one I'm going to make it this color. Okay, now it's done, and then I'm going to move to this VIP room, and we're going to choose this skirt. Wait, this one, but we can choose the chains only. Okay, select the only chains, and we're going to select this jellyfish skirt, this one, and color it with this pink color. Okay, and the next one, we're going to select this skirt. Sorry, I forgot to put on this skirt. Okay, and we're going to color it with this pink color, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. All right, and the next one, I'm going to move to this area. Okay, the necklace area, and we're going to choose this mermaid top, and again we're going to color it with this pink color. Okay, and I'm going to choose this necklace from here, and then we're going to color it with the white color. Okay guys, like this, just color them all with the white color. And the next one, I'm going to go out of the VIP room, and I'm going to choose this necklace, this item. Okay, and we're going to color it with this white color for the first selection. Okay, until the fourth selection, just make it white. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Princess Lumina from Barbie as the Pearl Princess. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!